already gave, so I already gave the midterm exam task, right? For reproduction. Am I right?
Yes, Bapak.
Okay, so let's pick two agenda today. First is open discussion regarding your task. Is there any difficulties or challenge, or maybe you need more time or else? Please discuss during this discussion with me. And second agenda, maybe Sinta want to show again the snake make, right? So we only have two agenda today. So let's start with the first one. So Sinta, can you show the midterm exam task again?
Sure, Bapak. Sinta will find out first. Okay. Okay, let me share the screen.
Okay, so I hope you already understand this very clearly. So first you have to report, first you have to pick your what kind of a pipeline in SnackMake that you want to reproduce, yeah? So you can go to SnackMake website and then go to the catalog, look on the pipeline, or you can see on the GitHub, many people uh, duplicate the GitHub and then they make their own pipeline. Or so pick any workflow pipeline like RNA or DNA analysis of like variant calling, and then reproduce. Yeah, to reproduce first you need to have data and codes. Yeah, and after that you can try the code in Gitpod, or you can use GitHub code space as long as you have IDE and computational resources on the cloud. So you can do that. You can use Gitpod, or you can use GitHub code space, or because in your laptop maybe you don't have enough resources to compute. Yeah. And then you have to use LaTeX and Overleaf. Make sure you pick the right technical report template and then you edit. LaTeX is very easy to learn. As far as I remember, I only take 1 day to learn LaTeX because it's easy to understand and you can find many sample code. You can ask to ChatGPT if you want to make tables. For equation, you can use online LaTeX equation editor. So it's very easy. So it's very useful for you to prepare your paper in master degree to write in LaTeX. And then publish your report, okay? So if you need more time, you can discuss now, as long as you have selected your pipeline to be reproduced, okay? And please, anyone, please talk. This is already clear, right?
Sudah, Pak.
Okay, so you already start to pick your pipeline?
Untuk jalanin SnackMake-nya, Pak, kemarin ada kendala karena masih belum clear yang dijelasin oleh Kak Sinta, Pak. Jadi masih stuck di situ, Pak.
Okay, so today Sinta udah running SnackMake-nya?
Still trying, Bapak, tapi almost get the result, I guess. Let's hack together.
Okay, later for the second agenda, yeah. So is there any other feedback regarding this midterm exam? Is this too hard? You need more time or unclear? Okay, so in the market now, bioinformaticians are using SnakeMake. They publish paper. You can check in Med publication, Med review, or bioarchive. or many medical journal, they're using SnakeMake and Nextflow. I think it's a top of mind frameworks now for genomic computation. There is many other tools like IDE or platform that commercially available, but most of the bioinformatician choose the open source. Means that they want to make it open, reusable, according to FAIR principle. So genomic pipelines should be findable, accessible, have a strong integrity and reusable. So it cannot be like black box that you cannot explain. Okay, so it's very important for you to get this SnakeMake because of the ecosystem. The catalog is big, yeah. And if you combine with, let's say, Bioconductor or Nextflow, so you can get more chance, bigger catalog for reproduction if you work in industry later on. Okay, so I think it's all clear here. So please spend your time with Sinta. Sinta alone, or you have your intern?
Here I am with Rashidan. Bapak Rashidan will
Oh, okay.
discuss with me to solve
Okay,
this.
so please continue with Sinta for SnakeMake. So hopefully no problem. So you can continue what you practiced today for your exam. During the exam, you can ask Sinta for extending the time because the final score will be combined with your final exam. Yeah, so no problem for me. 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, as long as you have a good quality of reproduction and you learn a lot on latex. Okay, so thank you. So please, Sinta, please continue with Rasidan.
Thank you, Mr. Risman. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So, as Pak Risman guideline on midterm exam, we will reproduce SnakeBack workflow. So, first of all, we need to choose the pipeline. You can visit this link, workflow catalog. And then here, me and my team choose this workflow. Just type Googling like this. And I choose this one, SSV colors. Googling the cancer genome slash SV colors. Okay, here's the result. Maybe I need to demo it first. How does it look like when we run it? Actually, Rashidan, this is Fadinda's kitbot. Maybe we need to try from scratch on reproducing the workflow. Okay, everybody should open this link, the link that I already give in meeting chat. Then choose the Googling the cancer genome slash SV colors. Then we need to fork it first. Fork your own copy. Okay, then create the fork. So now in my account of GitHub, I have SV colors repository now. We can follow this README guideline to run the workflow. Okay, after we already forked the repository, now we need to open the Gitpod. Then create new workspace. Then just copy the link. This is SV Colors repository in my account, Sintavia. Paste it, click, and continue. Rashidan, have you already cloned the workspace?
Yes, I have.
All right. Okay, let's see the document. First of all, we need to install the dependencies. Everybody need to open this repository. We need to copy this. wget okay. Then the second one, install the Conda and respond by yes. Please press enter to continue. Here I press enter button to read the terms and license, I guess. Fifteen terms still going. 16 definitions. Okay, please answer yes or no. Do you accept the license terms? Yes. To continue. Then press enter to confirm the location. The location in home, kitbot, miniconda 3. Okay, I just click enter. Wait a minute. Okay. You can undo this by running conda init reverse. No, I don't want to undo it. Okay. Thank you for installing miniconda. Let's see what's next by following this guideline. Okay, just open one. Conda update dash y conda. Sorry, let me close this. Okay, conda comment not found. So when I got that error, I asked the ChatGPT to solve this problem. Okay, bash conda comment not found. It looked like conda comment isn't being recognized in your shell environment. Okay, here's what you can do to fix this. Okay, Rashidan give the bash. All right. Is it the same, Rashidan? I guess so. Nikonda pn3, conda shell dash hook. Okay. Just copy the bash code from Rashidan, the comment from Rashidan. You can follow my instruction. So it's already copied and run. Next, let's see conda init. Okay, no change. For changes to take effect, close and reopen your current shell. Should we ignore it, Rashidan?
The
Just
Conda is
continue.
already installed there. Already
The conda
installed.
is already. Okay.
Yes.
So Maybe we need to run this. It must be work. Nah, okay. All requested packages already installed. Previously, we tried to run this command and it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Now it works, right? So now just continue the command that is written in GitHub. Oops, typo. Mumb. Okay, let me redo. Okay. Done. Create a new environment with dependencies and activate it. New environment. Create environment. Run. Still verifying transaction. Okay. Next, activate it. Okay, done, Rashidan. So hopefully it will work.
No.
Okay.
You change
What
the
should I
workflow
do?
first.
Change the
workflow.
workflow. Change the workflow. Okay. All right. Now I am here, workflow. Inside of workflow, there is snake file, so we can run the snake file, right, Rashidan? If I copy this.
SnakeMake NP first to check the input and output files of SnakeMake file.
Snake make dash np,
Yes.
like this. Okay. It works. Then
And then run the command line that's stated in the repo.
this one. Enter. Building the AG of jobs. Creating Conda environment, downloading and installing remote packages. Package. Kak Agatha, halo.
Iya, Kak.
Previously, Kak Agatha reproduce which workflow? Which workflow that Kak Agatha reproduce?
Yang itu, varian calling itu.
Hmm. Variant calling that previously I showed.
Iya, benar, Kak.
Hmm.
Tapi kendalanya kemarin tuh nggak bisa buat snack filenya ya, kemarin.
Hmm. Is this one? I forgot. Velociraptor. Okay. Maybe we can try this one, Kak Agatha, and uh, all of the participants because it works. Okay, complete. So Rashidan, is this finished? Output data BEM. Let us see. Okay, the input is data BEM 3 T3 dash dash N, the layout file delay.vcf. This one is the input. And after we run this, the output is data BEM 3 T3 dash dash N3, the layout survivor delay.vcf. All right, we already run the workflow. Maybe next what we need to do is to understand the workflow by reading this document, the readme of this repository, and asking ChatGPT to understand it so we can write the technical code. Rashiden, would you like to add more information? Nothing? Enough?
So the summary is in this repo we make SV colors. So the output file should be SV per colors and emergent colors in VGF format as stated in the repo, in the GitHub repo. And the input files is in the data path, which is stated in the workflow path. So there is like 4 input files, which is data in directory, workflow directory, FASTA format files, path files, and BAM files, which is VGS samples, and the output files should be SV per color that formatted in VGF files.
All right, thank you, Rashidan. So yes, here is the conclusion. Here's the input, pasta.pet.pem, and the output is .vcf. From all participants here, uh, are you all guys following this tutorial? Or maybe later on after we upload the record on YouTube. Kak Agatha, are you following this tutorial?
Yeah, I'm following this tutorial and I can run the tutorial.
Yay! So it works, right? Okay. Thank you, Kak Agatha. So that's all, everybody. Actually, there are so many other workflow in SnakePack workflow catalog that I already share in Zoom chat. We have already tried some of workflows, but some of them are not work, maybe because of the availability of the data input that we need to give to the workflow. So today in this afternoon, we already get one of the example of workflow that provide the input data so we can run the workflow. So that's all, everybody, about the tutorial on running the workflow of SnakeMake catalog. Actually, in every workflow that is provided by SnakeMake, there are readme that we can follow. So we just need to follow the instruction, and if there is error, we can ask to ChatGPT like this one. For example, we need to copy the um error like this, and we can follow the ChatGPT instruction, I guess. So that's it, everybody. Is there any question before we close the meeting?
Kak, izin bertanya,
Yes, please.
kan untuk UTS-nya kan harus workflow yang DNA sama RNA ya. Sedangkan yang kita coba tadi yang bukan yang DNA atau RNA kan. Semisal kalau workflow-nya nanti tidak selengkap yang di SV Colors ini kan ada ritminya yang ngasih tutorialnya itu gimana Kak buat ngejalanin si DNA sama RNA-nya dengan yang workflow yang kemarin sudah kita coba.
All right. Thank you for the question, Kak Agatha. Okay. Previously I tried to run this one, DNA, and the readme is not that complete as cancer workflow like this. Let me ask Mr. Risman, how is his instruction regarding to the kind of workflow that we need to reproduce, right? Jadi pertanyaan Kak Agatha terkait ya ini ya Kak, kayak misalkan di workflow katalog yang DNA ini, dia tuh dokumentasinya nggak selengkap yang kayak barusan kita ikuti gitu ya Kak.
Iya, nggak ada tutorial yang seperti ini untuk clone-nya, installnya apa aja kayak gitu.
Oke, oke. Sinta izin nanti tanyakan ke Pak Risman ya Kak.
Baik Kak, terima kasih Kak.
Oke, terima kasih Kak Agatha atas pertanyaannya. Maybe we need to find first the RNA or DNA workflow that has complete or um, good documentation on GitHub that give the instructions step by step to run. But this for workflow that I click does not give the well information on step by step on run the code. But let me check. Let me ask and discuss to Mr. Risman. Thank you, Kak Agatha, for the question. Is there any other questions? Okay. If there is no other question, let me confirm to Mr. Isman about the workflow that is not DNA or an RNA workflow. Okay, thank you everybody for today. I will get back inshallah at WhatsApp group. Thank you. Let
Thank
me
you,
share
Kak.
the record. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.